Hello everyone, welcome back. Now this is a tutorial for as an example to show how to convert a Mealy into a Morse machine. In the next video I'll be also showing how to convert a Morse into a Mealy's machine. Now it's a very simple step. Now the procedure is there are three steps that are involved in it. Now if you see here in this step, the first step is I've given as an example Q1 if it is a state and the incomings are A, B, C and P is the output of Q1, then that can be changed to AP, BP, CP of Q1, and as per if you see the outgoing from Q1 is D. For example, the outgoing from D1 is D. Then as per the second step, the outgoing edge are left alone. We are not doing anything for the outgoing edges. Now this process has to be repeated again and again for all the states. So now we take an example for that. I have given already a diagram here which consists of Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3 having 0 as the output here, 1 as the output here, 1 as the output here and 0 as the output here. And these are the inputs or the transitions from Q0 to Q1 it is A, from Q0 to Q2 it is B, and so forth. So we can convert this into an equivalent Morse machine by the following. So we'll do it like this. We'll make it again the same thing. The same diagram will make it as Q0, Q1, Q3 and Q2. Now if you notice that Q0 is the initial state, since Q0 doesn't have any input to it, it is just the initial state, so we can leave it as it is. However, if you see Q1, not Q2, Q1, you notice that A is coming towards Q1. A is coming towards Q1. So what we can do is we can change it to A/1. A/1. 1 is the output of Q1, so we change to A/1. So if you notice there is no more incoming to Q1 because as per step number 1 we are saying that only the incomings we are changing it. So repeat the same thing for, let's say we repeat the same thing for Q2. What are the incomings for Q2? It is B. If you notice it is B. So if you just do like this, then we make it as B/0. B/0. Again there is an incoming from Q1 to Q2. So from Q1 we make an incoming to Q2 and we change it to B/0. Same thing Q2, there is an incoming to Q2 using A. So what we'll do is we'll make it like this and make it as A/0. Now let us look at Q3. Q3, what are the incomings? It is A. So we'll make it as A/1. A, the output is 1. And similarly the incomings to Q3 are, it is B from Q2. So we'll say it's B/1. And similarly there are incomings of A and B to Q3 itself. So we'll mark it like that and say this A/1, comma B/1. So this is how we convert Mealy's into Morse machine. Thank you very much for watching this video.